Hey guys, my name is Samuel Sagwa, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today I want to take a look at the Amsterdam by Adidas. These released on Saturday the 25th of January 2020 for the UK retail price of £85. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from the N London store. It also comes with your classic blue and white Adidas striped box with a dark beige City Series sticker next to the label. The style code is EF5791 and it comes wrapped in a translucent beige Adidas trefoil branded paper. It also includes a white card with the shoe illustrated by John Kaiser Knight, with gold branding on it, and on the other side the card describes the design cues of the Netherlands capital city that influenced this trainer. It comes with an extra set of Mesa beige laces, which is pretty nice packaging overall, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Introduced throughout the 70s and 80s, the popular Adidas Originals City Series celebrates 24 cities throughout Europe, with each shoe paying tribute to its unique features and colorways related to the city. 2020 welcomes back the OG Amsterdam in its brown velvety suede upper, a signature gum rubber sole, with the gold Amsterdam typography on the sidewalls in a stamped theme towards the heel. The clean Mesa beige leather free stripes across both sides of the mid panel, as well as the same color leather hits around the heel, finishes off the clean low profile shoe. It also features a white and blue Adidas free trefoil branded insoles. The overall materials are nice with a luxury handbag leather smell, and the £85 price point is a nice addition to those invested in the City Series. This isn't a personal pickup for myself, but I thought it would be good to quickly take a look at this for you guys. So if you enjoyed the video or found this video useful, make sure you drop a like, subscribe and follow if you like more of this content. So did you pick these up? Did you miss out? Or are you passing? Let me know why in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.